To fix Amazon Sitestripe not showing, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you are logged in to your Amazon Associates account, as Sitestripe is only accessible to registered users. Next, check that Sitestripe is enabled in your account settings. To do this, navigate to the Amazon Associates dashboard, click on the Account Settings option, and then select the Sitestripe tab. Verify that the Sitestripe option is toggled to the On position. If Sitestripe is enabled and you are still experiencing issues, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can resolve any temporary glitches that may be preventing Sitestripe from displaying. Another potential solution is to check your browser extensions, as some may be interfering with Sitestripe. Try disabling any recently installed extensions and then reload the Amazon page to see if Sitestripe appears. Additionally, ensure that your browser is compatible with Sitestripe. Amazon recommends using the latest versions of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge for optimal performance. If none of these solutions work, try using a different browser or checking your internet connection to rule out any connectivity issues. It is also a good idea to check Amazon's system status page for any outages or maintenance that may be affecting Sitestripe. Finally, if you have tried all of the above steps and Sitestripe is still not showing, contact Amazon Associates support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Amazon Sitestripe not showing and get back to monetizing your website or social media content.